Hey, what's poppin', everybody? It's your girl Ariel, aka Ari, coming right back at you with another video. And today I'm coming at you with a fake scalp wig that I am loving. Oh my goodness, this thing saves you so much time. No more bald cap method because nobody got time for this no more. Anyway, thank you guys so much for clicking this video. If you're interested in seeing how I installed this wig, this easy to install wig, make sure you keep on watching. But first, go follow your girl on Instagram at arielfits.patrick. And subscribe to this channel. What you doing? Stop playing. Anyway, let's get straight into the video. There you go.
Okay, so this is the wig we are dealing with. This is the fake scalp. So as you can see, basically what it does, it replicates the bald cap method. And for the lace in front, it was really light for me, so I decided to go in with a lace tint. Any lace tint is fine. I got this at my local beauty supply store here in Montreal, and I tried to make it match my skin, but you'll see eventually that the bald cap right here is still too light for my skin. So make sure that you get the color that matches your skin tone. But it wasn't terrible, but I could tell it's still too light for me, but it wasn't the end of the world. So for this part, I'm just installing it like I do like every single one of my lace front videos. Guys, if you want a full tutorial on how I lay this down, check out basically any of my previous wig videos. I don't know why I don't have the full clip here. I don't know if I did it intentionally or if the camera cut out. I don't know, but either way, I'm not worried, because if you guys want to see exactly how I did this method on the full lace, you can check out my previous videos. But it's very simple. I just spray Got to Be freeze spray onto the lace of itself, take a blow dryer and a rat tail comb, and I just melt it into my skin as best as possible. And this lace is pretty nice, so it wasn't too hard to do, but next time I think I'm gonna go in and pluck it a little bit. So this is how it looked after I installed it, and just swoop a little bit, just a little bit of baby hairs with some mousse. And now I'm going to literally soak the hair with water. There's nothing in this water bottle except pure H2O. So we go in, hey, that rhymed. So we go in with the water. Don't be stingy with it, and then get whatever mousse you like. I love to use the Tresemme mousse or Dove mousse because they smell good. That's pretty much it, and they don't leave your hair too crispy and hard. So I'm using a lot of mousse because I just like using mousse, as you may know. And I'm just gonna like use it to help define the curls, because throughout the day when it dries, it's going to actually frizz up a bit. So that's because this is not a really strong hold mousse. If you want a super strong hold mousse so that the curls don't move, you get a stronger hold, but I don't suggest it all the time because it kind of makes it kind of makes your hair a little bit hard. And yeah, but yeah, so after I do that, I just crunch it up a lot. Like, I didn't even show you guys how much I crunched it, just so that it could get back some volume, kind of like a diffuser. And I add some mousse at the top of my head, whatever, as you please, guys. And then that's it. This was actually really easy to install because the bald cap does everything for you. I had a little bit of bumps there. I don't know if you guys could see it. That was my fault, but it's not the end of the world. I just wanted to show you guys that like I made a little mistake there, but that's it. So yeah, I'm done.
Alright, y'all, that is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below if you enjoyed it. And what was that? And of course, subscribe to join the gang so we can hang. Hey, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Be breezy. Peace. Oh, and follow me on Instagram at arielfits.patrick. Peace.